Okay, let's have a look at the answers to these puzzles. First, let's tackle the easy one.
And it's white to play and mate in 2. And white's queen and bishop leave the black king with only one safe escape square. So the king will try to escape to g8 and then f7. So that's black's escape plan. But what about white? What should white's plan be to finish this game off? The first thing to do is to look for checks, and the queen is a good piece to start with. There are 3 choices to think about. It can be a good idea to move your queen next to the enemy king, but usually only if the queen is defended. So let's look at the other choice. The white queen would be safe on h5, and the black king would have to move to g8. But then what? Can you think 1.5 moves ahead? Did you work it out? Remember, the black king wants to run to f7, so this queen check will stop it. The medium puzzle is also white to play and mate in 2. The white bishop defends the rook, and the rook stops the black king moving to most squares. Only a3 is safe. What do we need to do? Again, we should look to see what the queen can do, and in particular, checks. Is there any way the queen can give check? Yes, by moving to c2. Black would have to move the king to a3. How could white then finish the game? We could move the queen to b3, next to the black king and defended. Would it be safe here from the other black pieces? Yes, it would. And finally the hard puzzle, and it's another mate in 2 for white, and the black king is nearly surrounded by friendly pieces. White knight and queen both attack g8, but the black knight has this square defended. White might like to move the queen to h8, but the black bishop defends this square. So how is white going to sort this out? Well, with the black king nearly surrounded, we should be looking to see if we can win the game with our knight. But check on d7 is covered by the black queen. Could we move the white queen somewhere to let the knight move to h7? But if we move the queen to g8, the black knight will take it, filling the g8 square, but leaving the e7 square empty. Can you work out if that's going to be a problem? Will the black king be able to escape to e7? No. With the white knight out of the way, the white bishop will cover e7.